All right, let's do one more example. Let's just do this one together. So this is an example we've done a few times before, and this is not the last time we'll see it, where you have some data arrays that have heights, weights, names, and maybe each person's preferred pronouns. And you want to calculate each person's body mass index and then print out a message like so-and-so's body mass index is, so he or she is overweight, underweight, whatever. Okay. Now, there are different ways you could do this. We're going to do it the easiest way, which is just make a 1x4 cell array to put these 4 arrays into. So let's call it subjects, like test subjects. Let's make a cell array, and we're just going to drop each of these other arrays into one of the cells. Names, heights, weights, and pronouns. Now, it's a valid question. Well, why would you bother doing this? You've already got them in these other arrays. Well, in reality, what you would probably be doing is reading information from an Excel spreadsheet. And it's going to go into a cell array when you read it. Okay. So this is just for illustration. Okay, but now I've got this 1x4 cell array. Oh, what is this error? Oh, okay, because I didn't finish it yet. All right. All right, so I just took each of those other arrays, dropped it in to one cell. Then I need to get the information out. And so this is the key skill I'm trying to show with this example. And actually, after doing it in my previous section, I deleted more than I should have here. But so we want the name, the height, the weight, and the pronoun. And we want to extract it from this cell array. So first we ask, which cell is it? Well, the names are in the first cell. And then we ask, well, which element of that array do I want? And that would be our loop variable, k. Okay, so as we loop through this, k goes from 1 to however many subjects there are. And you get that using the length function. Okay, remember, you don't want to hard code just the number 8. You want to use the length function to find out how long the array is. And extract the kth name from that string array that's in the first cell. And the rest work the same way. Height is in the second cell, weight is in the third, is that right? Yeah. Okay. And pronoun is in the fourth. All right, so I pulled the information out of the cell array, put it in a separate variable. The rest is then the same as always. Calculate the BMI based on height and weight. Determine the classification based on the BMI value. And then print out a message. Okay. All right, but this is the key skill here. Getting information out of a cell array that has arrays embedded within it.